Good is here today I will discuss steps to take in case of ship damage in action to regain stability. Ship damage can happen because of collision, grounding, flooding, fire or bad weather. When damage occurs, the crew must act quickly to protect the ship, cargo, passenger and crew. The main purpose of damage control is to stop flooding, maintain buoyancy and regain the ship stability. Step to take in case of ship damage. 1. Assess the damage. Identify the damage area. Determine the extent of flooding. Inform the bridge and engine room immediately. 2. Sound emergency alarm. Alert all crew members. Master emergency teams for damage control. 3. Close watertight openings. Close watertight doors, valves, and hatches. Prevent water from spreading to other compartments. For control flooding, use bilge pumps and emergency pumps. Apply temporary repairs such as patches or collision mats. Action to regain stability. 1. Counter flooding. Flood opposite compartments to reduce listing. Must be done carefully to avoid worsening the condition. 2. Ballast transfer. Transfer ballast water to improve balance and trim. 3. Ship cargo or weight. Move cargo or heavy equipment if possible. Help correct leaks and improve stability. 4. Reduce free surface effect. Empty or completely fill partially filled tanks. Counter-checking the effectiveness. 1. Monitor leaks and trim. Observe if the ships become upright and stable. 2. Inspect flooded compartments, checking if flood is controlled. 3. Stability calculation. Use stability data or computer system. 4. Continuous monitoring. Ensure no additional damage occurs. Quick and effective action during ship damage is essential for safety at sea. Proper damage, flooding management, stability correction can prevent capsizing or sinking and protect lives and property.